Hey there guys, Matt here from myrawintuition.com. I want to stop in. Hope you guys are having a nice Sunday and a good weekend. I'm going to show you guys what I'm having for dinner, which I'm sure you knew probably was going to be a salad, but I also wanted to show you the dressing and give you guys another dressing recipe. And this one is a hemp-based dressing, since I don't think I've given you guys one of those for a little while. So we're going to do a hemp-based dressing tonight in our salad, which is made up of 2 heads of romaine, 1 bunch of red kale, some grape tomatoes, 5 stalks of celery. I've got a little bit of the bloomed wild rice. I just threw in the remaining little bit that I had. And I think that's it for what is inside my salad. So the thing that most people are interested in is the dressing here. So what is in this? We've got 1/3 cup hemp seeds, 1 lime peeled, 1 medjool date, 1 teaspoon, maybe a little more than a teaspoon of brown mustard, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/2 cup of water. So normally in my dressings, I do 3/4 of a cup of water, but that's when I'm using things like sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, walnuts, things like that, that are a little more condensed. They're a little more dry, I guess. Hemp seeds are not as dry as those other seeds. So it only takes like 1/2 cup to get the right consistency. So I only do 1/2 cup of water when I make my hemp-based dressings. So this one's really good. I think you'll enjoy it. Definitely try it out and let me know what you think. Pretty soon you're not even gonna have to buy my recipe books. I'm just giving you all the good recipes in these videos. So hope you enjoy them. This is gonna make a delicious salad. And make sure to scrape all that out, because you can get quite a bit more. Don't just, pour it and then go wash your mixer. Make sure you get all that creamy goodness out of your blender. All right. So hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend, and I will catch you next time. Always follow your raw intuition.